Hello dear Codis car viewers. Please don't forget to like the video, turn on the bell and comment on the channel. Porsche will offer a special version of the new 2023 911 GT3 RS called the Tribute to Carrera RS package. It is painted in white and has python green accents, along with other visual touches. Priced at $314,000, it will be offered only in the US as part of the Exclusive Manufaktur customization program. Updated October 21, 2022, this story has been updated with new photos and pricing for the 2023 911 GT3 RS Special Edition that honors the Carrera RS 2.7. Porsche loves to play up its rich heritage, and the newest version of the just-revealed 911 GT3 RS is meant to do just that. Called the Tribute to Carrera RS package, this special edition is visually inspired by the 1970s-era Carrera RS 2.7, which was the first RS badged 911. To that end, the new GT3 RS is finished in white paint and has its wheels, side mirrors, and a few other exterior elements painted in python green. There's also a large green stripe on the side with GT3 RS script in a slightly modernized version of the Carrera font from the original. The giant rear wing has RS logos in green on each end. The interior matches the white and green theme as well, with different stitching and other painted trim pieces. Porsche will offer this option only in the US market, which it says is the second home of the 911. It'll be part of the Exclusive Manufaktur customization program. The new Tribute to Carrera RS will cost $314,000, about $89,000 more than the 23 911 GT3 RS's $225,250 base price. It should be rare, too, as Porsche says the Tribute car's availability will be limited to customers with an existing GT3 RS allocation through a dealer. Dear viewers, please share your thoughts on the subject with us.